Weather now. The weather is turning cooler, cloudier, and there'll be some rain at times as well as we go through this week. Today has been a bit of a north-south split. North Wales still had some lovely sunshine. Further south, we've had this weather front, which is pushing up, bringing with it quite a bit of cloud and also a little bit of patchy rain as we head on into tonight. So this was the scene earlier on today in Wrexham. Some cumulus clouds, but also blue skies in between. But if we take a look at the satellite, you can see much of the country underneath this band of cloud with limited amounts of brightness just coming through at times. It was a dry afternoon across much of Wales, but as we head on into tonight, we'll start to see a little bit of rain just coming into parts of mid and South Wales. And then overnight, the rain will intensify across the southeast, but again, hanging on to the best of the drier conditions across North Wales. And it's a fairly mild night with the temperatures down to 6 Celsius. The winds are light too. So tomorrow we've got this weather front still with us, bringing a little bit of rain with it. That will clear through. There are more fronts waiting out in the wings, and one by one they'll track their way in as we go through this week. So first thing tomorrow morning, we do have some wet weather to start the day across much of Wales. Some heavy pulses likely, but will ease off as we head into the afternoon and turn more showery, and still quite a bit of cloud around. Some hints of brightness if you're lucky, perhaps across Pembrokeshire, where the temperatures will get up to about 12 Celsius. Through tomorrow night, yes, we get a brief break from the wet weather. Still quite a bit of cloud around, with perhaps some clearance across the southwest for a time, but then it will cloud over again as there is another weather front waiting out. Temperatures well down to about 6 Celsius. So there we are on Wednesday, this weather front bringing some heavy rain with it, but the good news with that is it will whiz through pretty quickly thanks to the wind, and then by Wednesday afternoon, we can look forward to some drier and sunnier conditions. Temperatures up to about 14 Celsius. But look, there is another weather front waiting out in the Irish Sea. So here we are on Thursday. There is patches of rain around, limited amounts of brightness, highs of 14 Celsius, but the temperatures are around where they should be for the time of year. That's the forecast. Back to you.
Benny, thank you very much.
Start for the first day of winter, but do grab your umbrella as you head out. We do have some rain on the way. Ahead of the weather front, we do have some brightness, but the cloud is thickening all the while for the north and the west. The rain gradually pushing south and eastwards. Behind it, it will brighten up for the north and the west this afternoon. Highs of 8 to 11 Celsius, and it's quite breezy as well. Now through tonight, that rain band will clear, and then it's starry skies for the longest night of the year. We'll see a touch of frost potentially in sheltered spots, and also the potential for some coastal showers. Overnight lows getting down to about 1 Celsius. The winds are light tonight too. Tomorrow, a chilly start. We can look forward to some brightness, a few coastal showers, but also a lot of dry and bright weather to look forward to. Temperatures getting up to about 10 Celsius, and it does look like it is going to be rather unsettled for Christmas Day. A mild start with a mixture of rain at times. Back to you.
Thanks, Benny.
Good morning. A mild start along coastal areas, chilly further inland. We do have quite a bit of low-level cloud, mist and fog first thing. It will brighten up for most of us. Mid-afternoon, a little bit of rain just coming into Anglesey and Gwynedd. Otherwise, it's a dry story with the temperatures in double figures for all of us. Now, as we head into tonight, we do have rain across mid and north Wales. Further south, dry and cloudy. We'll see some mist and hill fog reforming, but it's a fairly mild night with those temperatures no lower than 6 Celsius. Morning, a chilly start away from the coast. We do have quite a bit of cloud around, some mist and fog too, but it will brighten up as we go through the day. Mid-afternoon, a little bit of rain just coming into Gwynedd and Anglesey. Otherwise, it's a dry story, not feeling too bad at all in the sunshine with the temperatures in double figures for all of us. As we head into tonight, we'll see some rain across mid and north Wales. It will push through pretty quickly, becoming dry overnight. Again, we'll see the mist and fog reforming, but it should be a frost-free night for all of us with those temperatures no lower than 6 Celsius, the winds remaining light. Tomorrow, once the mist and fog lifts, we can look forward to some brightness. The temperatures up to 12 Celsius. The winds remain light. We'll see a little bit of rain coming in